So, this isn't a case about rage or panic. This is a case about someone who had time to stop and didn't. In February 2020, police in Florida responded to a 911 call from a woman who claimed her boyfriend had died in a tragic accident during a game of hide and seek. What they found instead was one of the most disturbing and surreal crime scenes in recent memory.
911, what is the location of your emergency?
4748 France Court, apartment 3.
Is this a police or medical?
My boyfriend is dead.
Okay, send the line for the fire department. Do not hang up.
Okay, 4748 France, correct?
Correct.
All right, great. Now tell me exactly what happened there.
My boyfriend and I were playing last night, and I put him in a suitcase and we were playing. And
Okay.
like kind of hide and seek kind of thing. So I fell asleep and I woke up and he was dead in the suitcase. So I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened.
Jorge Torres was dead inside a suitcase. According to Sarah Boone, the two had been drinking wine, joking around, and playing hide and seek in their apartment. She said Jorge climbed into a suitcase as part of the game. She zipped it shut, laughed, and then went upstairs to sleep. She woke up hours later and found him unresponsive, but almost immediately, nothing about her story made sense. Police bodycam footage shows Sarah calmly standing outside the apartment, casually explaining what happened. No panic, no shock, just irritation. She told officers, "I didn't mean for this to happen." She insisted it was an accident. Then an officer opened Sarah's phone. What they found changed everything. On her phone were videos recorded the night Jorge died, videos of him trapped inside the suitcase, videos of him begging for air, videos of him saying he couldn't breathe, and videos of Sarah laughing. In one clip, Jorge can be heard desperately saying her name, asking to be let out, telling her he loved her. Sarah responds by mocking him, telling him this is what it feels like when he cheats on her. She tells him to shut up. She tells him it's his fault. At one point, he stops responding.
Sarah.
For everything you've done to me.
Sarah.
For everything you've done to me.
Sarah.
Fuck you.
Sarah.
Fuck you.
Sarah.
Stupid.
Sarah.
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
Sarah. I can't fucking breathe, babe. Seriously.
Yeah, that's when you do when you choke me.
Sarah. 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 Sarah, I can't breathe, babe.
That's on you.
Sarah, I can't breathe.
It's on you.
Sarah.
Real or ransom. Might want to get video for it extra. Because I got this.
Sarah.
Real or ransom.
Sarah. I can't breathe, babe.
Oh. That's what I feel like when you ching on me.
Sarah. I
Fuck
can't
you.
fucking breathe, Sarah.
Yeah. You should probably shut the fuck up.
Sarah.
The videos show that this wasn't a moment of confusion. This wasn't a few seconds of panic. This went on for minutes. After filming him dying, Sarah went upstairs and went to sleep. When police confronted her with the videos, her demeanor shifted. She claimed she was drunk. She said she didn't remember filming them. She said she thought he could get out on his own. But the suitcase was zipped shut. Jorge had scratches on his hands. He had fought to escape. The medical examiner ruled his death a homicide by asphyxiation. As the investigation continued, a toxic relationship began to surface. Neighbors described frequent arguments. Police records showed multiple domestic calls involving both of them. But even with that history, nothing prepared people for the coldness captured on Sarah's phone. During her interrogation, Sarah tried to explain away the videos. She said it was playful. She said she was joking. She said Jorge liked to mess around. Detectives pushed back. They replayed the videos. They pointed out his fear, his silence, the timeline. Sarah had no answer. At one point, she asked investigators if she was going to jail. She was arrested and charged with second-degree murder. As the case made headlines, the public reaction was immediate and intense. The idea that someone could film another human being suffocating, then sleep peacefully, horrified people around the world. In court, Sarah continued to maintain that she never intended to kill Jorge. She blamed alcohol. She blamed memory loss. She blamed everything except her own actions. But the videos don't lie. Jorge Torres didn't die instantly. He died slowly, trapped, scared, and ignored by the person who could have saved him with a single unzip. This wasn't a crime of passion. It was a crime of indifference. And it raises a terrifying question. How well do you really know the person sleeping next to you? Because sometimes, the most dangerous people aren't the ones who lose control. They're the ones who simply don't care.